motto कि we have to protect Madhai from getting diverted. So what WRD department and study असा that work has stopped, there is no diversion. किदे paper आ रहता किदे आता, it is up to the papers what they report and whatever. But actual ground fact is the department had visited the sites and there is no new work happening or no new diversion happening anywhere. So kire plan kela ki we will be visiting, the house committee will be visiting the site very soon, all of us, just for our peace of mind to see that actually work has stopped and the diversion is not happening.
जो वर्षभर मीटिंग में जाऊंगा
और जाऊना, there were various reasons, but आता ठरेला, Honorable Minister has said that every quarter we are going to be meeting, the House Committee will be meeting to decide on this.
But don't you feel that there has been a
we
delay
have,
somewhere?
of course, there has been a delay, and the thing is that Supreme Court has heard the matter at least 3 times now this year. The lawyers have been told who were present today that the matter has to be expedited at the Supreme Court level because it is sub judice. So आम्ही काहीच म्हणपा शकना. So till Supreme Court, because even the tribunal has said that Supreme Court have order दिवनी, then you come to us.
Madam, but whatever said and done, whatever the papers might be reporting or media, who has to inform this? Now, is it not the government who has to tell the people what exactly is going on?
So, आज committee झाली नी. Now, Honorable Minister, now you, like I just left early because I have a doctor's appointment. But the thing is that the Minister is going to brief all of you because he is the main person to actually brief you because he is the concerned minister. So I think actually whatever the details are, he will brief you. आणि जे कितें publicak सांगपा जाय, he is the best person to tell the public what the actual facts are.